Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting together a simple container full of purple flowers. Yes, it's the end of June and I'm still working on containers. But anyways, I think I'm going to just go ahead and get them planted and then we will go over the plants at the end. So here we go. All right guys, so I think this turned out so gorgeous. The actual container that I used today is actually from Al's Garden Center. They have a really beautiful selection of different containers. I used organic potting soil and I just added in some of my slow release fertilizer. So for the plants, I have this beautiful obsidian heuchera and it actually just finished blooming. So I'm just gonna cut these spikes down. And again, I'll plant this into the landscape after probably like fall time. I'll take this apart and get everything planted out that can be in the landscape. I use these petunias and these are just wave petunias and they come in this variety pack. I'm really also loving, I know I mentioned I'm loving yellow, but I'm also really loving purple this season, especially this one with that dark purple throat with the veins coming out of it. This is a berry white African daisy. I love just how like they kind of start out a little bit darker and then they fade into this beautiful like light purple and white color. And then finally I have this blue Danube, I believe that's how you pronounce it, hydrangea. This is my first blue danbu, and I am absolutely loving it. I cannot believe a plant this tiny is producing blooms this big already. So I'm super looking forward to getting this guy in the ground once the season is over. But yeah, I'm really excited to put this by the shed and just bring some more color and life to that area over there. So all right guys, well that's it for today's container video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that come together. You know, I love purple and I think it's so like just soft and beautiful in the garden, and it goes with everything in my opinion. So I'm happy that I was able to kind of gather these plants up that were just kind of in random areas and get them all planted up for the season. I will be moving most of these into the landscape probably fall time or probably next spring, so we'll just kind of see how it goes. I know, again, like I said, it's the end of June and I'm still doing containers, but you know, that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. Gardening is kind of a juggling act, and you know, I'm trying to do like all of these things and another big project comes up or this comes up. So anyways, we just do our best, and I think a lot of people are kind of going through that right now. And we've been working on other projects that we will be sharing with you guys really soon, so I'm really excited and looking forward to that. Now with care for these, I'm just going to be watering them overhead. I didn't install drip on them, and then I added the slow release fertilizer, so that will be it for them, I think, for the season. If they're looking a little bit, you know, kind of tired out, then I will come in and maybe do like a bloom booster, just to kind of give them a little kick midway, maybe like in August. But I think they'll be fine for the rest of the season. It hasn't been really warm, so we'll just kind of see how it goes. And I'm going to be putting this container right by our shed just to add some color to that area. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. But we've been working on other projects that we will be sharing with you guys soon. So I'm just trying to balance it. I think gardening is kind of a balance or juggling situation.